guys, so welcome to the part 2. I'm done with my work, until a little bit anyways. So now I'm going to organize them into, am I organizing them into? Yes, so on the chest we have anxiety and anxiety fidgets. So anxiety fidgets would include this thingy, the bracelet. Probably the beads. And your best bet, scrunchies. And then the best for online school would be the squishies. Most definitely. And wait, where do they go? They go in the clear deep one. Yeah, so they would be best for online school. And probably your bigger rock would be good too. And your lucky item. Next for in school would be your smaller one. And a bead and some of these. And then for car rides or waiting in long rides or plane rides, these beads would be really good. Your slinky. Your bouncy ball. Your bouncy ball. And then your part thing. And then one color that would be good for all. I don't have it right now because I was using it, but your fidget cubes and anything with more than one side. Thank you. Bye. There will be a part 3 with the newer ones.